We've just installed the 2009 to 2015 Lexus RX Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the 2009 to 11 Lexus RX with the mouse. You can see this mouse moves on a dome pattern. It has enter buttons on the side. That's how we can know by looking at the mouse that this is a 2009 to 11 system. Long holding the phone hang up button for 3 seconds, we'll switch between that factory Lexus system. It looked like this on the 2009 to 11 to the new Hamilton system. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up CarPlay. We're going to go ahead to settings here when you boot it up into the Hamilton system, phone connection settings, and enable wireless connectivity. We're going to now pull out your iPhone, open up settings, Bluetooth, and we're going to look for a new device starting with Hamilton. Give it just a second to load, and there it is. Click on it. A pairing code will pop up. It doesn't mean anything to you. Click pair, click allow contacts and favorites, and click connect when CarPlay comes up. And just like that, CarPlay will automatically load on the screen. The first time, give it just a few seconds. If it's a bit too zoomed out for you, this is a new feature in iOS 26. You can come down here to settings, display, and turn off smart display zoom. This is how we intend for it to appear to you. At any time, clicking the Hamilton button will take you back to the factory Hamilton system, and clicking CP Link will take you back into CarPlay. This will be how you navigate back to the factory Hamilton system, where you can load apps outside of CarPlay or Android Auto. Coming here to Apps Plus, on the Google Play Store, you can load any app that might not be available in CarPlay. By pressing the original button or long holding the phone hang-up button for 3 seconds on the steering wheel, you can switch back to your factory Lexus system. For the 2009 to 11 car, the mouse will work in the factory system, but CarPlay will be touchscreen only. For the 2012 to 15 RX, the mouse will work both in CarPlay and the original system. It's very important when you're using the Hamilton system that you set your factory radio to aux mode. You can do this either by coming back to the factory system and clicking aux, or by triggering the mode button to cycle through the audio modes. When you hit aux mode, the Hamilton system will automatically bring you back to our interface. One other important note, back in your factory interface, you need to erase and forget your original phone Bluetooth. You will no longer be using your factory Bluetooth, and so it's important that you turn the original Bluetooth power off and you erase the factory system from your phone. Go into Bluetooth, click on the eye of your original device, and do forget device. Long holding that phone hang-up button for 3 seconds will bring us back into CarPlay. If you would like CarPlay to automatically connect and open when you get in the car, come to Phone Connection Settings and turn on Auto Connection and Remember Device. We're now ready to go. We're going to have a full installation video on our YouTube channel, as well as a full overview video that will walk you through all the features of this powerful system. We make it with top-of-the-line components. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, and a Qualcomm processor that's designed to stand the test of time. We back it with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee, and it will preserve all of your factory features. You can see that's your original backup camera, as well as your steering wheel controls. If you have any questions, we have concierge-style tech support available to help you. You can talk to me or one of my team members at 919-858-2890. You can also email us, info@hamiltonmotorcompany.com. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.